Yes, children, section F, question 2. It is also important. Here two tire brand is given, A brand and 2 brand. And the question is asked, which tire brand is better or which is more good. So you are asked to find out mean of 2 tires. So we have to find out mean 2 times, that is of A, and then we have to find out mean for B. Question is important. You have to compare and tell the mean whose is bigger or more, that is the best or better tire. Very simple sum. I have worked out life of tire is given here in 1000 kilometers. Brand A F, that is frequency, number of tires. Frequency is given here, and brand B frequency is given here. Now children, as it is continuous frequency distribution and you are asked to find mean. So I told you, whenever it is continuous frequency distribution and you have to find mean, our first work is to find out the middle value, that is mid value. Mid value means upper plus lower or lower plus upper divided by 2. So here I have found out mid value, lower plus upper divided by 2. So whenever you want to find out mean and the class is given, at that time our first work is to find out the mid value. That is to find out the middle value. So I have found out the middle value, this 2 plus divide by 2. You will get this. Now children, I have done by shortcut method. You have to assume one observation as A, that is assume mean. So here you can take any assume mean. I have taken the middle assume mean, and as the class length is equal, I have taken this as assume mean. And you can see the class length is equal, so you don't have to do anything. Only which number you have assumed as assume mean, there you will put 0, and when you move upward you will put -1, -2, 1, 2, 3. So this method you will find easy, and more easy when the class length is equal. You don't have to do anything. Only you have to find out the mid value and assume one middle number, then put 0 and -1, -2, and here 1, 2, 3. Now this is D. Now you have to multiply FD. What is our formula? Sigma FD. Total of FD. So what is F here? Frequency. And what is D? That is deviation. Difference what we have found out. How to find out? I have written the formula also. X minus A upon C. What is X? Mid value. What is X? Mid value. SA. What is X? Mid value. And what is A? This. So if you minus 12.5 minus 22.5 divide by C, your C is 5, you will get this. No need to divide. When it is class length are equal, you will get equal only. If you want to check, you can check. Okay. Now FD. So F is 4 and D is -2. So 4 2s are -8. Then 7 1s are 7. Then 10 0s are 0. 5 1s are 5. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. See, total of minus you will do separate and plus you will do separate. So minus total is -15 and plus total is 14. So plus 14 and -15 you will get sigma FD. Sigma means total of FD. You will get -1. Okay. In the same way we will work out for tire B. For tire B frequency I have written again children this 5, 8, 15, 9, 6 and 2. Frequency again I have written here for you so that easily you can multiply. Now children, you have to multiply. This is F and same D. So 5 2s are 10, 8 1s are 8, 0, 9 1s are 9, 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. So this is F, which I have written again here for your convenience. If you don't write also will do. You can multiply here. This is F and this is D. So here 5 2s are 10. So those who don't want to write, no problem. You can write here or here. Okay, I have written 2 times. Otherwise, no need. You can write only once. Whichever you find easy, children. I will circle this. Okay, this way. So here you can write multiply FD minus total is 18 and plus total is 27. So 27 minus 18 you will get plus 9. Now our tire 1, brand of tire 1. So here sigma, what is the formula here? That is A plus sigma FD upon N multiplied by C. A is assumed mean, we have assumed mean 22.5, and for A tire sigma FD upon N, what was sigma FD? Minus 1. So you will write here plus minus 1 upon 30. What is N? Number of frequency 30. So 30 multiplied by class length 5. So when you plus and minus, plus minus sign will become minus. So 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. So 1 upon 6. And so 1 upon 6 if you divide, you will get 0.17. And 22.5 minus 0.17, you will get 22.33 thousand kilometers for A. In the same way, work out for B. This question is also important because you have to compare. You are going to make the comparative study of two tires as you have asked, that which is better. Now same, A plus sigma FD upon N. So A has same, assuming sigma FD here is 9 upon N. And इसका frequency है 45 and multiply by C. So you will get 22 plus 0.5 plus 1, 23.5 thousand kilometers. So this is 22.3 kilometers, 1000 kilometers, and this is 23.5 thousand kilometers. So which is the best? You can compare and tell me. 23,000 kilometers, the tire which travel is best, and it is of company B. So therefore B brand tires are better, because we have compared. Okay, so this was question 2. Now children, in question 3, it is mixed frequency distribution. Very important. I have tick mark here. Why it is important? Because it is mixed frequency, and in mixed frequency, which formula we use? Empirical formula. And for empirical formula, mode equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So in this sum, you should know mean, median and mode. It is 5 mark sum, very important because all three measures you are going to work out. So this is the question. See here, you can see 0 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Then here see single number is given, 24, 26, 28. So this is continuous. Half is continuous and half is discrete. And I have given you note that when this type of series are there, mix, continuous and distribution, you have to use mode formula, empirical formula. And also when class length is unequal. So here children, how it is mixed ones. You can see what is the meaning of mix. I told you, I'll explain you when we will do the sum. So here is mixed frequency of continuous frequency distribution, that is class is given, and here single numbers are given for discrete. Now where class is given, that for that much we will find out the mid value. Why we have to find out the mid value? Because we want to find out mean, and then we have to find out CF. Why we are going to find out CF? Because we want to find out median. So mean, we want mid value. For median, we want CF. So you will be able to find out mode. So sum is very easy. Only you need little attention. Mid value. See children. 5. 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. And here 35 divided by 2, 17.5. Or either no mid value. You have to write as it is, 24, 26, 28. Okay, then CF. CF we are going to find out for median. I will write for you here median के लिए CF है, और ये है mean के लिए. Okay, ऐसे. Now here you will use the formula of fx. Fx multiply. So total fx will be 919. And here CF. CF means total of F. 8 plus 14, 22, and you will go on adding. Okay. N is 55. So number 1, mean. Sigma Fx upon N. 199 upon 55. You will get 16.71 cars. Median, M, value of N upon 2 observation. N is 55 upon 2. So you will get 27.5 observation. Now refer CF column. So when you refer CF column, where does 27.5 value lies? Here. And this is CF and this is F. I say. Okay. So you will get the which class you are going to get? 15 से 20 तक. ऊपर भी 15 है, here also 15, so it is exclusive. No need to get the points. Okay, border point. So L equal to 15 plus N upon 2 we have already worked out, 27.5 minus CF previous one, that is 22 upon F, that is 16 multiplied by 5. So you will get 16.72. Now the third one, mode equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So 3 median 16.72 you have to multiply by 3 and 16.71 you have to multiply by 2. So here 3m. So this is 3, this is m minus 2x bar. So 2 and x bar is 16.71. And you will get this 50.16 minus 33.42 and you will get the answer of 16.74 cars. Now here children, I want to tell you that what is mean? 16.71. What is median? 16.72. And what is mode? 16.74. तो मीन मीडियन मोड में कुछ भी ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं. It is only point difference. Here we have worked out all three. This sum is important because it is of mix. I have underlined with red. I have written note here, mixed frequency distribution, therefore empirical formula MO 3m minus 2x bar. So this is question second and question third, which both are very important.